Last year, Canadians lost more than 638 million to fraud. But here's the truth. Most of those losses didn't come from hackers breaking into bank systems. They came from everyday settings we never turned on or links we trusted too quickly. So today, let's make sure that never happens to you. This is your 2026 wallet safety checklist. In this video, I'll show you the 5 biggest fraud risks Canadians are facing right now, the bank app settings that quietly protect you when you're not watching, and the exact steps to take if something ever does go wrong. When you leave home, you probably don't think twice about locking the door. It's muscle memory. Click, done. You don't stand there thinking about the hinges or the bolt. But imagine if you found out you'd been locking the wrong door the whole time. Online banking is the same. Most of us assume the basics are covered until one small, forgotten setting leaves the back door wide open. So let's talk about what really matters for 2026, the settings, limits, and habits that keep your digital wallet fraud-proof. Here are the top 5 risks right now. Number 1, spoofed e-transfer notices. You get a text that looks exactly like an Interact deposit alert. The logo's perfect, the timing makes sense, and before you know it, you clicked. Fraudsters rely on that split second when you're expecting money. That's when your guard drops. What to do? Never click a link to accept an e-transfer. Log in directly through your banking app or website. That 10-second habit can save you thousands. Number 2, account takeover through legit e-transfers. If someone gets into your phone or email, they don't need to hack your bank. They just send money like they're you. Action step: turn auto deposit on for every account that can receive e-transfers. It's the easiest fraud barrier you can activate. Number 3, card not present and token abuse. Your card details live everywhere. Streaming apps, online shops, mobile wallets. If one of those gets breached, recurring payments can still slip through even after a card's canceled. Action step: check where your cards are stored every few months. If one's ever compromised, delete and re-add it to refresh the token and stop unwanted charges. Number 4, urgency scams posing as banks or the CRA. Scammers know how to push panic buttons. Your account's frozen. Send an e-transfer to unlock it. You owe taxes. Pay now or face legal action. Action step: when panic hits, pause, hang up, take a breath, and call the official number on your card. Real banks don't demand instant transfers. Number 5, insider or system abuse. Even secure systems can fail. In 2025, an ex-bank employee in Canada was actually charged for accessing client accounts without permission. Your best protection isn't blind trust, it's early alerts. Action step: turn on e-alerts for large or unusual transactions so you're notified within seconds if something's off. Those are the 5 biggest risks right now. But the good news is most of them disappear once your bank app settings are set up correctly. So let's walk through the ones that matter most. Bank app settings to enable. Number 1, turn on your e-alerts. They're your personal early warning system. Set alerts for low balances, new payees, large withdrawals, and new logins. Why it matters? Well, the faster you catch something strange, the faster you can stop it. Number 2, use card lock and controls. Most banks let you lock or unlock your debit or credit card instantly in the app. Test it once so you know exactly where it is before you ever need it. Number 3, refresh digital wallet tokens. Apple Pay and Google Pay use secure tokens instead of your real card number. If your card's compromised, delete and re-add it. That refreshes the token and cuts off any lingering access. Number 4, enable auto deposit. It removes fake click here e-transfer traps completely. Turn it on in your banking app under e-transfer settings. Number 5, adjust e-transfer limits. Lower limits mean smaller losses, so set realistic daily and weekly caps that match how you actually send money. So once these settings are on, your banking app stops being just convenient, it becomes your first line of defense. Now, let's look at the small habits that make e-transfers themselves safer. Before you hit send, double check the name that pops up with auto deposit. If it doesn't match, stop. Scammers rely on speed. Receiving. With auto auto deposit, the money goes straight in. No links, no risk. Encourage friends, family, and business contacts to turn it on too. The more who use it, the safer everyone gets. For requests to pay, if you get a request money prompt, treat it like a surprise invoice. Verify by phone or ignore it altogether if you're unsure. E-transfers are just one piece of your fraud-proof wallet. Next, let's secure your devices, especially when you travel. Protect your devices. Your phone is your wallet now. If it's unlocked, so are your accounts. Use biometrics or a strong passcode, anything tougher than 4 digits. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Airport and hotel networks are playgrounds for data theft. If you must bank while traveling, use mobile data or a trusted VPN. Set travel card limits. Before you leave, disable foreign ATM or cash advances unless needed. Use one low-limit travel card as backup and store your primary card separately. If your card is lost or stolen, remove it from your mobile wallet right away. When your replacement arrives, re-add it to refresh the token and kill the old data. Here's a real-world story. A traveler's phone was stolen in Italy, but their loss stopped at 0. Their card was locked instantly and their token was invalidated. So far, we've covered prevention. Now let's talk about what to do if something still goes wrong. If something goes wrong, number 1, freeze and investigate. See something strange? Lock your card, change your passwords, and call your bank immediately. Don't wait. Time matters. Number 2, know your rights. Under federal rules, you're entitled to investigation for an unauthorized transaction as long as you protected your credentials. Keep notes and screenshots. They're your proof of action. Number 3, follow the complaint path. Step 1, bank frontline staff. Step 2, the bank's internal complaint office. Step 3, OBSI, the Ombudsman for Banking Services and Investments. As of November 1st, 2024, OBSI became the single external body for banks. If your issue qualifies, they can review it independently. Step 4, report the fraud. Go to Anti-Fraud Center, centerantifraud.ca, and file under Report Fraud. Your case feeds Canada's National Fraud Database, helping prevent the next one. You're not powerless, and you're not alone. These systems exist to protect you. Your job is just to trigger them fast. NSF fees capped at $10 and no repeat charges within 2 days. Set low balance alerts now to stay clear of overdraft surprises. The National Anti-Fraud Strategy in 2025 basically said banks, telecoms, and law enforcement are finally sharing data to catch scams faster. It's the perfect time to tighten your own security while the system strengthens behind you. OBSI now actually handles all federally regulated banks, simplifying the process if you ever need escalation. And these changes aren't bureaucracy, they're backup. The smartest move is actually staying one step ahead. Listen, you don't have to think about these settings every day. They'll work quietly in the background until the day they quietly save you. Once your wallet's protected, the next step is making sure what's inside it actually feels like enough. Go to my next video, the Gen X Paycheck Map. Stop feeling broke, even on a good income. It's a simple way to take control of your cash flow. No spreadsheets required.